Welcome to our channel, Expat Living in the Philippines. We are here once again in our farm and they are harvesting rice now. There they are. So I'm gonna show you how they harvest the rice. So here they are. Here they are harvesting the rice. It's 5 p.m. They used the old ways. They only use something, a sickle I think, and then they cut it manually. There they are now. Hello. Hi. Hi, kaway kaway. Hmm. 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 So, yeah. They are having fun. They are really happy. Just a simple life. Here's the result, I think, when it is cut, that it is trimmed. And that part isn't finished yet. And the other rice fields here in our farm are not yet ready to be harvested. You will know if they are ready to be harvested when they turn like this color, slightly yellowish and brown, I think. And this area is still green, so yeah, it's still not ready to be harvested. You can see from here some coconut trees. There's a lot of coconut trees. Oh, there's someone there and a cow. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Mm. So I think they piled it here. That's one. That's the thing that they harvested. It's piled there, and he's going to take it and put it in the sack. Mm. It's a long process. Manually harvesting, manual harvesting. So, yeah, there. It's going to wrap it with a sack, and then I think deliver it there to the machine. That would be all for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for the notification of our next video. Bye for now. Keep safe and God bless.